In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide indicators in TradingView. If you use TradingView regularly, you probably know that indicators can quickly pile up on your chart. Moving averages, volume indicators, oscillators, and many more can make your screen look cluttered and harder to read. The good news is you don't have to remove them completely. You can simply hide and show them whenever you want, and that's exactly what we're going to walk through step by step. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with at least one indicator already added. On the left side of your chart area, you'll see the list of items that are currently applied, including your indicators. This panel usually shows the indicator name and sometimes a small colored line or icon that matches what you see on the chart. This is where you'll be controlling visibility. Find the specific indicator you want to hide in that list. Take a second to double check that you're selecting the right one, especially if you have several indicators with similar names. Once you've located it, move your mouse over that indicator entry. As you hover over it, some extra icons will appear, including an icon with 3 small dots. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu for that indicator. Click on the 3 dots next to the indicator's name. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that indicator, such as editing settings, removing it, or changing its appearance. Among those options, look for one labeled Hide. This is the command that temporarily removes the indicator from the chart without deleting it from your setup. Go ahead and click Hide. The indicator will disappear from the main chart area, giving you a cleaner view of price action or whatever else you're focusing on. You'll notice that even though it's hidden on the chart, the indicator still appears in your list on the left, so you can manage it at any time. Now, if you want to bring that indicator back, the process is almost identical. Move your mouse back over the same indicator name in the left panel. Again, click on the 3 dots to open the options menu. This time, instead of Hide, you'll see an option labeled Show. Click Show, and the indicator will immediately reappear on your chart in the same style and position as before. That's all there is to it. By using the Hide and Show options from the 3-dot menu, you can quickly declutter your TradingView chart without losing your favorite indicators or having to reconfigure them each time.